In this video guide, I will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the browser notifications which are related to the site News-hobohe.cc. This website, judging by its name, definitely does not make any sense, but the website is extremely malicious. It tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you watch some video. When people mistakenly do that, they get redirected to some malicious websites. Also, they would start receiving a lot of pop-ups that will be shown in the form of push notifications. These pop-ups are extremely dangerous and interacting with them is not recommended, because eventually your computer may be infected even more considerably. To block these ads, to stop these ads from disturbing your screen, access the menu of your troubled browser, go to Settings, then choose Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. Remove these malicious websites completely. Finally, I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So, through this official website, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.